What up, everyone? Joe's Garden here with a new Xbox Series X video. Um, well, I'm making this because, as said in the unboxing video, I might or might not edit in the reason how I got my Xbox Series X because it was a bit controversial. I think that's exaggerated, but I got it on a weird way. I didn't almost get it. There's your clickbait video. I almost didn't get an Xbox Series X. But yeah, the story is as follows. I can't really remember anymore when I reserved my Series X. Um, well, it was definitely before the acquisition of Bethesda was announced. I think like a week or two ago. Yeah, I think maybe somewhere in September. Anyway, I reserved it. Went to the Media Markt from Amsterdam Southeast, which is for those who don't know, it's like the biggest one. Well, in Amsterdam or maybe the biggest in Netherlands. I think. But yeah, it's the most. It's the one who's the most popular. So anyway, the thing was that yeah, I reserved it. I got a receipt for, like saying hey, you're sixth place, and that's it. So since then, all the way to November 10th, no transparency, no information, nothing. So I went like before I got my Series 6, I went two times. The f- well, I think you can technically say three times because I went to reserve it. So let's just say the second time when I went there was a week after the acquisition of Bethesda was announced. I think it was on a I think I think it was on Tuesday. I went there like that was when I heard that yeah you have to pay €50 upfront. I thought like okay I'll go there, let me pay it. So went with the receipt there. Saw a representative that said, nah, you're before the rule, so you're fine. So I thought, like, okay, let me go away. So um, then the third time when I went was on, let me check, Friday. Yeah, no, November, the 6th of November on a Friday. I was early from school. I thought like, yo, I I ain't hearing shit. There's nothing, no information. Like, so I went up there and I asked like, "Yo, what's going on?" And apparently, one of those guys was the same one who actually gave me my Series X. So anyway, the thing was like, how's the procedure going to be? Well, they said, well, on release day we'll call you or mail you. Well, I think calling. Yeah, it was calling. Yeah, they will call you and you can go pick it up. So for like, okay, like I was like, I even asked what is the amount that you will get it in? Well, they said, well, 17, 16. I was like, oh, I'm number six. I'm safe. So I was like, okay, I'm going on my merry way. And then, well, yeah, November 10th came. I had to go on an exam, or yeah, a school exam. And my school is, well, I don't want to talk to myself, but it's near the store. It's a little so I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me go check like what's going on. So I went there and I saw the same guy. He said like, yo, hey, I'm here to get my Series X. He was like, wait, uh wait, are you on list? Let me get your last name. I was like, okay. Said my last name. I was like, you're not on list. And I was confused. I was like, wait, huh? How? And then I gave him the receipt that I had. And he started inspecting and checking the computer. The funny thing is, which okay, didn't piss me off. I was kind of disappointed. Eh, my pre-order was canceled. What? I was like, how? What the fuck? So yeah, he said like, "Oh, you didn't pay the 1 cent that is needed to basically say to authenticate the pre-order." I was like, of course, because it wasn't only the person who I pre-ordered that. We were having I don't know, a conversation because he was tired because apparently a lot of people came into pre-order the PS5. It was like finally someone was going to pre-order the Series X. But yeah, we had a conversation, and maybe he didn't really look what he was doing because, or it could be me, but I don't really remember from the conversation that I had to pay the 1 cent because um yeah, yeah. When you go downstairs to a cashier, you have to pay it to pay the 1 cent. So I think it could be the guy who I pre-ordered at his fault, or it could have been my stupid fault because I wasn't really into the conversation with the person. But again, the person who gave me my Series X, like seriously, I don't have the receipt right now. I think it's in its I think I put it in the Series X's box. But seriously, this guy, he gave me he went to back in the store in the storage room, and then he came walking with the Series X in his hand. I was like, no way. Like I wasn't relieved. I was like, fuck hell, I'm gonna get it. You know, and like legit, man. I swear to God, when the mail comes in, that I have to fill in the satisfaction sheet. I will draw this man's name. He. I'm not exaggerating. From a 0 to 10, this man deserves a 12. Fuck. I almost didn't get it, and I'm legitimately happy. So yeah, that's my experience with with MediaMarkt. So it is just really like one of the best electronic stores in the Netherlands. If you're here and you might want to buy something, you can definitely you can definitely trust in them. Well, I can. It was one person, but yeah, what else can I say? I'm relieved, and yeah, I got my Series X. I might do some other coverage. Oh, my coverage on the controller. I will compare it with my One S controller, my Blue One S controller, and my Halo 5 mm, original V2 controller, which is the one with the headphone jack. Maybe I have the black, the original, like the OG, like 2014, 13 day one edition controller. Which we'll compare. So stay tuned, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vid. Bye.